Alright guys, help me out here. I'm close to a neighbor's house that's emitting this pretty loud sound. A little bleed over on the 28, but it's really originating from 29, channel 29. Sorry about my focus on my camera. But it's got some splatter on the 28 and 30 from 29 where it's at. Alright guys, help me out here. I'm close to a neighbor's house that's emitting this pretty loud sound. A little bleed over on the 28, but it's really originating from 29, channel 29. Sorry about my focus on my camera. But it's got some splatter on the 28 and 30 from 29 where it's at. Not sure if you can tell me what that sound is. Back up a little bit. So signal came in strongest right here. Next to the house on my right. And garage. Backing up a little further. Okay, signal's gone down 1 bar. Okay, 2 houses over from one neighbor that I know. But it's strongest right here. Just went down, so I think it's that one neighbor's garage, maybe on this back street. Signal's gone down 1 bar, but it was up to 5 out of 6, basically 85–90%. Back there by his house. corner. It's on the other side of the block. It's fluctuating 3 to 4 bars. So I'm getting closer to be to the back of that house. I'm getting 4 bars. Okay. Thought it was this neighbor's house originally, but it's on the other side of the block from them. Basically, the house that backs up to their house, almost. Getting down to fluctuating 2 to 3 bars of signal strength between, of 6 bars on a meter. I'm going back around here. Back around to that house. It's getting stronger, 3 to 4. It's constant 4 bars of 6. It's getting same, almost. Now it's strongest right here. Okay. It's either that or it's coming from our sewer. No. I'm going towards the sewage treatment plant on the property, and it's down to 3 bars signal strength. So right across the street where I was closer to is 5 bars. Yeah, it's getting stronger. It's coming from this neighbor's garage, or this side of his house, their house. Well, this signal's splattering onto 2 other channels. Hey there. Alright. It's usually at nighttime when this signal's on. Sometimes it's been on through the morning. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. Strange, but bleeds over all the way over to my house on the channel 28. So I'm not going to be able to make check-in on Sunday nights when it's on like this. Whatever's on, someone got RF output from something that's very specific on channel. Let's see here. It's more centered on 27.295 megahertz, but splatters to, and that's channel 29 on CB. It splatters to lower channel 28 and channel 30 just a little bit. So it might be a little bit lower than the 27.295, but dang, it's annoying. So yeah, if you guys can tell me what this is, it'd be helpful. But I know it could be almost anything, but it's very specific. It used to broadcast right at channel 30 and not even bleed over or splatter to the other 2 channels. Now it's more on channel 29 and splatters over to channel 28 pretty strong. So lower end of 27.29. Thanks for your consideration on this, and I don't know, I might have to check in with people on a different channel for Sunday night 8 o'clock check-in for TXDX.